Assalamualaikum guys and welcome back to Little Mini ASMR. So today we are going to crumble these shapes and then form new shapes. Obviously यही तो सीन होता है हमेशा. आज मैं सबसे ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हूँ इस वाइट सीमेंट के लिए क्योंकि मैंने इसको रिफॉर्म किया है एंड आई जस्ट होप थोड़ा सा तो ठीक हो जाए ये बिकॉज बहुत ज़्यादा परेशान कर रखा है इसने मुझे. एंड रिगार्डिंग दिस शेप सो एक्चुअली अचानक से बारिश आने लगी सो मैंने अपने वर्क प्लेस से जो टेक्सचर है उनको बाहर लेके आके रखा एंड इसको रखने में ये टूट गया. सो इट्स ओके फाइन. 2 शेप्स हैं, इसका हाफ शेप रिमेनिंग है एंड उसको भी एज चंक्स क्रम्बल कर देंगे. सो आई रिमेंबर एक मुझे रिक्वेस्ट आई है टू क्रम्बल ग्रिटी सैंड फुल वाटर क्रम्बलिंग एंड इसकी क्रम्बलिंग मैं ड्राई प्लस वाटर दोनों करूँगी क्योंकि फुल वाटर क्रम्बलिंग एंड फुल ड्राई क्रम्बलिंग इसकी कर चुकी हूँ मैं. एंड वाइट सीमेंट तो भाई वो बस हो जाए क्रम्बल, बाकी ड्राई वाटर तो देखा जाएगा. सो इट्स करेंटली 12 and PM ऑब्वियसली. सो इस वक्त ऐसे सनलाइट आती जाती रहती है एंड आई रियली लव मेरे टेक्सचर के ऊपर जब वो सनलाइट शाइन कर रही होती है एंड जो टेक्सचर का जो डस्ट होता है वो भी सनलाइट में ही विजिबल होता है, काफ़ी अच्छा विजिबल होता है. सो आई रियली वांट टू शूट माय वीडियो इन दिस सनलाइट. सो इसलिए मैं अभी जल्दी से आ गई. वैसे काफ़ी अच्छी हवा भी चल रही है, कैन सी, एंड काफ़ी सनशाइन भी हो रही है. सो बोथ एंड वन है. सो स्टूल वगैरह उठाते हैं एंड वीडियो सेटिंग वगैरह करते हैं. सो आई गेस पहले इससे क्रम्बल कर लिया जाए. इसको ड्राई प्लस वाटर मैं किसी कंटेनर में करूँगी, उस कंटेनर में कर लेते हैं. सो पहले तो इसको लेके आया जाए अपनी वर्क प्लेस पे, ये ध्यान रखते हुए कि ये टूटे ना. Wow, this looks so pretty in sunlight. Just look. Wow, the photo I want to take of this, a thumbnail. Okay, now let me bring the tripod board and start with the video. थोड़ा मैं कैमरा भी क्लीन कर लूँ. आई गेस मेरा कैमरा थोड़ा सा ब्लर कैप्चर कर रहा है, क्वालिटी अच्छी नहीं आ रही है. सो लेट मी सी ऑल दिस थिंग, लेट मी मीट अगेन. So guys, I'm done with shooting the video of white sand and its shape making and then its cleaning, and like literally the sunshine looks so pretty, but you know the sacrifice I have to do by sitting like in the sunlight when the sun is directly over my head is tough as well. So you know, forgetting one thing you have to sacrifice the other thing, whatsoever. So now let me go for the black sand crumbling video. For that I need this tub as we're going to crumble its full water. So should I just crumble it in there only because the shape has already been broken? So should I just turn on the lights? Oh, actually turning on the lights doesn't affect at all. I don't know if you can see the difference at all by turning on the light. So the lightning would be so cheap like this if I am going to shoot it over here. Still, it's not really bad, but you know that sunlight thing. Okay, let's go move that. It's really tough, especially when I have a little workplace. So earlier I didn't had all these worries, you know, because I always had just one texture. So I was like, I had to make the texture over here, crumble the texture over here, and it was over. But now I have to like arrange you know, shifts for all the texture. Okay, so I'm going to move this slowly because last time I moved this in a hurry and it, as you can see, broke down. And these are quite gentle as well as the shapes are made just right now. Please give me good results. Although I don't have very high hopes from this, but still I would be very glad if it gets crumbled really. Okay, so I've moved this and let's bring this. So as it's already broken, I have to pay special care to this. let us pick up these all chunks, although they are not chunks, they are just remains, but you know, that's the all texture I have, so I can't just waste it that way. I have to crumble. Now let's put this. Okay, I finally brought it with lots of difficulties and patience. Okay, and now let's bring the quad pod and the tub. Okay, so all of a sudden the sunlight disappeared, but don't worry, it's going to return as it just keeps on coming and going because the clouds keep on coming and going. Let's set the camera. It's really tough to crumble in the top as the camera doesn't shoot properly the top part. So yeah, okay, let's start. Okay guys, so I'm done with the crumbling and the shipping can obviously, and the cleaning as well. And over here is a mess as I dropped all the tools and all just to find this, as it was lying very underneath. So although I'm so much tired right now, but just for the sake of this white cement, as I'm so like, you know, excited to see the results, I can say. So I'm just going to crumble it by one hand without any tripod setting and all, you know, because I'm not much sure for this. And let's just crumble it without the sunlight, as the sunlight is almost gone. Look at my outfit. That was some TMI. Okay, let's crumble this with fingers crossed. I just hope this turns out to be okay. Let's start. Guys, just right now the sunlight started flashing. Okay, now when we are over here and the sunlight is also in the support, although it's coming and going, but then let's just go and do the honors. Okay, I moved it. Have this over here. Okay, after capturing the thumbnails, let's start the capture. Okay guys, so the white cement was a definite fail. Earlier it was so soft that it didn't I was not able to crumble it and, like, you know, not even hold it, and now it was so hard, like so hard, that even when I like I, what do you say? What do you call it? Even when I punched those balls so hard in the ground, still it didn't broke. The smaller one broke with the help of the larger one. So yeah, that is what I can say now. That it just isn't working. Please, if anybody has any solution for it, like how to do renew limestone powder. This is limestone powder, this is not white cement. So anybody watching this video, any ASMR artist especially, so can you please tell me, help me out regarding this thing. And like without gray cement, because I don't have it, or I will just see if I can bring gray cement, or else we're just going to leave that texture as I just don't know. It's just not working. It's just not white cement. The actual thing is, it is not white cement. It is limestone crush. So we're trying to make things out of nothing. Like we're trying to make white cement of limestone powder. So that is definitely, I don't think impossible, but at least not possible. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching the vlog. Don't forget to watch the videos again. Bye bye.